People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, it seems as if this week is officially Uncle Sam's week because he has been making he's been a focal point of this channel for the entire week, it seems. Right? Because now we're hearing that Daryl Vaz, who is currently Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, has, basically them take away him visa. There's no pretty way to say it. America, or Uncle Sam, that man from Galilee, has stepped back in visa from Daryl Vaz. When I first got the news, I was thinking to myself, well, that don't make sense because I knew Daryl Vaz was a United States citizen. So at first, I was like, well, I wouldn't take away visa if he was a US citizen. But then I remembered Daryl Vaz actually renounced his US citizenship, right? And I just went on loop to read the article and they're saying this happened in 2008. Right, so he renounced his U.S. citizenship, right? So basically, tell America so them can hold back them green book. And now Uncle Sam said, well, since you give back the green book, give back the visa too. People, let me tell you why this doesn't look good. You know who was the only other minister who I can think of what his visa get taken away? None other than the infamous James Robertson. And the reason why James Robertson's visa was taken away is because Uncle Sam run him file, right? And you remember film name he get caught up in a bangarang. Big bangarang too. So now that's Daryl Vaz has his visa revoked. Now I'm wondering to myself, where Uncle Sam know what the rest of we don't know? People, this is getting interesting. It's going to get interesting. It would not be a light decision for the United States government to revoke the visa of a current minister serving in the current government. That would not be a light decision, people. For them to make a decision like that, it must be something serious. Something that the rest of us don't know about. Daryl Vaz, boy, I don't know. It's going to get real interesting, people. Right, and Daryl Vaz came out and said, well, basically, I tell people who are going 100%, whether good news or bad news. I guess he would rather break the story than to have, it leak out there, right? But he's saying he just got a correspondence from the US Embassy. I tell him, so boy, him not no more visa. And he's saying he's going to appeal, right? And not only that, he's saying if he doesn't win the appeal, he's going to step down, right, from his current job in the cabinet because obviously he can't do that job without having a visa to travel to the United States. Right? I'm guessing he needs to go back and forth all the time. So without that, he can't effectively do his job. So he would have to step down. Those are his words. Right? So, but to be honest, I don't care about that. The real reason, I want to know why him take out the visa. I don't even think him know why him take out the visa. Well, unless him know him I do behind closed doors. But people, this is not a light decision. This is not something people might say, oh, well, everybody get treated the same. I doubt that. The United States and Jamaica are partners in a lot of things. Right? So they're not going to just have a current serving minister in a current government and just casually just take away visa. So, right? That's not how it works. Right? Unless them feel, no man, this brother definitely need to lose fee on. It's very interesting, people. All him say is the US Embassy informed him that subsequent to visa issuance, information has come to light that you may be ineligible for a visa. If you like to travel to the United States, you must reapply. That them telling people. Information has come to light that you may be ineligible for a visa. Why would America even go as far as to revoke the visa of somebody who was just one of their citizens 10 years ago? He was a citizen of America 10 years ago. This is not like him come from somewhere in the Middle East and them suspect him of being in. This is real interesting, people. This is not a light move. Whatever it is that made them take out the visa are something big, people. Will it ever come out? I don't know. Because of course the US Embassy doesn't give out reasons and details about any one specific case. So if you don't hold your breath thinking the US Embassy will come out and say, well, so we take you back because this happened. This is major, people. But the fact that Daryl Vaz has now ended up in the same boat as none other than James Robertson I will know what James Robertson did up to for make him visa get take away. People, it's looking spooky. It's going to be a very interesting Christmas. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.